Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Shash. Today I will be taking up a new challenge, Grind 75. I will solve all the problems in this sheet, one each day. So I will be starting on with obviously the easiest question in this list, two sum. So I will directly jump on to the problem. So here is our question where it states uh, we are given integer nums and we have to find target. This target will be sum of any two numbers from this integer array nums, and I have to return the those two indices from this array. So here in the examples, as you can see, we are given a array of numbers and a target. We are given a target 9 and the output is 0 and 1 because these two numbers sum up to 9. And similarly here also we can see that 6, and how can we make 6 with these two numbers, and it is stated that there will always be a solution, and like we can't use the same number twice. We can also look at the constraints. We can see that we can loop over two times if we want, but that will be very complex, so we will not go there. Okay, now, yeah, so I have a solution here already. I have already done the question. So what I have done it in O of n for space complexity and O of n for time complexity also. So I have taken a dictionary to store the indexes of the complement digit. So what is a complement? If our target is, let's say, uh, 9, so 2 for 2 the complement is 7, and for 7 the complement is 2. So that is what I am doing. I am creating a dictionary, then I am simply iterating through the numbers, and I am just creating that number here, and I am checking if the number already exists in the complement store keys. If it exists, then I can return the current index, that is x, and our complement store, whatever index is stored in our complement store for this specific number. If not, then what we are doing, this is the tricky part, then what we are doing, we are creating the complement like this: target number, target minus number, then we are storing it in there in the complement store. Yeah, that is what we are doing. Yeah, so I will just submit this and show it to you. So yeah, it beats 85%, so that is pretty good, I believe. Yeah, thank you for joining in. Bye.